Welcome back to my channel. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Communication is a fundamental aspect of human interaction. It enables us to express our thoughts, feelings, and ideas to others, and to understand what others are thinking and feeling. Effective communication is essential for building relationships, collaborating with others, and achieving our goals. Communication can take many forms, including verbal, non-verbal, written, and visual, and it is through effective communication that we can convey our thoughts, ideas, and emotions to others. In today's fast-paced world, communication has become more complex than ever. The rise of digital devices and social media platforms has made it easier than ever to communicate, but it has also led to a decrease in face-to-face interactions. As a result, many of us struggle with the art of communication, and we may find it difficult to convey our thoughts and ideas effectively. To become effective communicators, we need to develop a range of skills, including clarity, conciseness, and persuasiveness. We must also learn to adapt our communication style to suit the situation and the audience. For example, when communicating with someone from a different culture or background, we need to be aware of cultural differences and adapt our communication style accordingly. One of the essential skills in the art of communication is the ability to listen actively and empathetically. Active listening involves paying attention to what the speaker is saying, asking clarifying questions, and reflecting back what you have heard to ensure that you understand correctly. Empathetic listening involves trying to understand the speaker's perspective and emotions, and responding in a way that shows that you care about what they are saying. Effective listening is crucial for building trust, fostering stronger relationships, and gaining a deeper understanding of others' perspectives and experiences. Another essential skill in the art of communication is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage one's emotions and those of others. Effective communicators are empathetic, respectful, and sensitive to others' emotions, which helps to build stronger relationships and fosters a more positive work environment. Emotional intelligence also involves being aware of one's own emotions, and managing them in a way that is appropriate for the situation. Nonverbal communication is also a crucial aspect of the art of communication. Nonverbal communication includes body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. Our nonverbal cues can convey a lot of information about how we are feeling and what we are thinking, and can often communicate more than our words do. It is essential to be aware of our nonverbal cues and to use them in a way that supports our verbal communication. Effective communication is essential for success in the workplace. In today's highly competitive job market, employers are looking for candidates who can communicate effectively and collaborate well with others. Effective communication is crucial in building a positive and productive work environment, promoting teamwork, and enhancing productivity. In addition, effective communication is essential for leadership. Leaders who can communicate effectively can inspire and motivate their teams to achieve their goals. The art of communication is a multifaceted and essential skill that plays a critical role in our personal and professional lives. Effective communication requires not only the ability to express oneself clearly but also to listen actively and empathetically to others. By developing our communication skills, we can become more effective communicators, build stronger relationships, and achieve greater success in our personal and professional lives. It is through effective communication that we can build stronger relationships, gain a deeper understanding of others, and achieve our goals. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.